Alright, Harmony Science Academy Algebra 2. I'm kind of in a rush here, so we've got to squeeze in this video pretty fast, okay? Anyways, we're going to be looking at transformations of logarithms and change of base. We definitely can double up since you've got some time off coming. So let's just get straight into it, okay? Alright. So transformations, I've got this image because this is our exponential transformations notes. So we're basically going to try and model that as best as possible, okay? So we've got y equals, and we've got plus or minus, okay? Just like before, which is linked right there, okay? You guys know how that works. Next up, here in blue, we've got a, and a still works the way it has always worked, which is, right, if you just look at the value, you're gonna, right, disregard the sign. If the numerical value is bigger than 1, you're going to get a vertical stretch. If it's less than 1, you're going to get a vertical compression. Okay, pretty straightforward. Next, we're going to have here in black just a log. Okay, then in here, let's pay attention. We're going to have plus or minus, okay, which is linked to this guy right here. All right. Next, we're going to have b. Okay. And b is going to go back to the way it used to be, where if you've got b is less than 1, you get a horizontal stretch. And if you've got a b bigger than 1, you get a horizontal compression. Kind of the opposite, the way we've always worked with b, right? Counterintuitive. Then you're going to have your x. Next, you're going to have your minus. And here in green, we're going to have c. Okay. Excuse me. So let's go ahead and draw us a little arrow here. Or rather, horizontal shift. Okay. And last but not least, notice way out here on the outside, okay, is your plus d, which is your vertical shift up and down. Okay, real important. You've got all this going on, and at the very outside, you've got this plus d. Okay, that's going to play a role. So let me just do a quick check here. Make sure we have everything. Okay, it looks like we're good to go. So I'm not going to labor that anymore. You guys are super encouraged to get on the calculator and toy with those transformations to prove them to yourself, okay? Anyways, let's go ahead and get to the change of base formula. This is going to be important because this is going to allow you to put any log into the calculator. A lot of you guys were stuck yesterday, right? For example, trying to do some of these, right, in the calculator, which you'll do today, but with the change of base, you'll be able to enter it in the calculator, okay? So the easiest thing to do is, let's look at what it is, okay? You've got log any base b of m equals what? Log base c. Now c, 99% of the time, is a base you like, or a base the calculator likes, right? Like 10 or e. If you guys notice, the calculator will work with 10 or e. So in this case, let's go ahead and actually apply this over here, okay, as you'll do in your practice and in your exit ticket. So let's go blue. So again, all you need to do is, you've got your notes over there, and now let's take a look at one. How would you enter that in the calculator? So we have log base 5 of x minus 1 plus 1. Okay, remember that this guy's way out there on the outside. Now this is going to equal, using the change of base formula, okay, we're going to say log, okay, we like base 10, the calculator at least works with that, of x minus 1 over log base 10 also of 5, and way out here we'll put plus 1. Okay, this is going to allow you guys to put in the calculator and go ahead and perform these requests. In this case, these transformations from yesterday, those attributes. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pause it there, and we'll take care of any questions, comments, or concerns in class.